The Great Hall, located within the People's Palace, is a beautifully unique Grade II listed Art Deco theatre at the Mile End campus. Originally opened in the 1930s by King George VI and Queen Mary, the Great Hall has seen many famous people grace its stage, which is one of the largest in London. It is also one of Queen Mary's largest teaching spaces, capable of seating up to 770 people, and as well as being equipped with a teaching lectern, it also features one of the largest rear projection screens in the UK. The Great Hall is equipped with a height-adjustable lectern, a PC, cables to connect a laptop, 2 visualizers, 2 projectors, and the QReview lecture capture system. The PC is located in the cabinet below the desktop. To switch the PC on, press the button as shown. To turn the monitor on, use the button, located at the bottom right of the screen. If you are going to use the PC, log in with your user account in the normal way. You can also use your laptop by connecting either the HDMI or VGA cables provided. The HDMI cable has a green label, as shown, and plugs into the HDMI port on your laptop. The VGA cable has a yellow label, as shown, and plugs into the VGA port on your laptop. If you are using the VGA cable, please remember to plug the audio cable into your laptop's headphone socket, in order to use the speakers in the room. The control panel on the lectern should automatically switch on. If it is blank, just touch the screen to wake it up. Then press the Start button to access the main menu. Across the top of the screen are buttons to select either the PC, the HDMI input, the VGA input, the Blu-ray player, or the visualizers, also known as document cameras. To select the PC, tap the front PC button at the top of the screen. This will then display the output options available. To display the PC output on the monitor, press the Preview Front button. There are 4 other output options available. Screen Center Full will display the output on the entire screen. Screen Center Top will display the output in a smaller window at the top of the screen. Or you can use the 2 projectors individually, by using the Projector 1 and Projector 2 buttons. When you first select an output, the projectors will start up. This can take a minute before the image appears, so please be patient. To use a laptop connected via the HDMI cable, press the front HDMI button at the top of the screen. Then select your output at the bottom of the screen. For a laptop connected to the VGA cable, do the same, but press front VGA at the top of the screen. The lectern is equipped with 2 visualizers or document cameras. To use the visualizers, press the button at the top of the control panel. This will switch the visualizer lamp on, and a control menu will be displayed. From this menu, you can select the left or right visualizer, and then select which projector it outputs to. The control menu gives the options to turn the visualizer's lamps on and off, control the zoom, and autofocus functions. To zoom in on an object, either use the control panel, or the zoom wheel on the head of the visualizer. To zoom in, move the zoom wheel down, and to zoom out, move the zoom wheel up. To use the Blu-ray player, press the corresponding button at the top of the screen. You will then be presented with the playback and menu keys for the Blu-ray player. The Blu-ray player is located in the cabinet, below the desktop. The Great Hall is equipped with a wireless microphone. This allows you to move freely around the stage, whilst still being heard by the students, and also being recorded on the Q Review system. To use the wireless microphone, remove it from the charging base, and open the front flap. Then press the on-off button until the microphone powers on. Close the flap, and then check that the mute switch on top of the device is off. When you have finished with the wireless microphone, replace it in the charging cradle, so it is charged and ready for the next lecturer. Then take the microphone and clip it to your clothing, about 6 inches below your chin. The Great Hall is equipped with a camera and a set of microphones installed on the lectern, as well as the wireless microphone, in order to provide a clear recording. The lectern is equipped with a recording indicator light for Q Review. The lectern PC must be switched on for this to work. When a recording is starting, the indicator light will turn yellow for a few seconds, before turning red. This indicates that a recording is active. You can pause the recording by firmly pressing on the indicator light once. The light will flash yellow, indicating that the recording has been paused. To resume recording, firmly press the indicator light again. The light will then turn red, to indicate that the recording is continuing. To find out more about Q Review, go to the Q Review webpage, where there are useful links, guides, and information. There are 2 USB ports on the control panel. These are connected to the PC, and you can insert a pen drive to access your files. The lectern is also equipped with a desk light, which can be switched on by using the control on the base. The height of the lectern is adjustable and can be raised or lowered using the control buttons located just underneath the work surface. Every teaching room has a phone installed for support. If you have any technical issue, pick up the phone and press the AV support button, or dial 6550. Support is available from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., Monday to Friday. A technician will answer your call, and will either resolve your call remotely, or send a technician to the teaching room as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. There are other videos available for small, medium, and large teaching rooms on the ITS website.